In today's video, I'm going to be making Nestle Crunch bars. These come together so easy. You can make these at home. You don't need to buy them at the store. They come together really easy, and this is a great little snack. I start out with using the Nestle Toll House Milk Chocolate Morsels, and I'm going to use some Rice Krispies. Now I'm going to pour in 1 cup of chocolate chips. I'm going to need 3/4 of a cup of Rice Krispies. I'm going to use this foil to line this Pyrex lid. I thought that would make the perfect size candy, so I'm just going to mold that in. I am going to take a little bit of butter and just butter this a little bit. Now I will put the chocolate chips into the bowl. I'm going to put this in a microwave and just keep checking it until it is melted. The recipe I was following called for milk, and I tried that and it did not turn out well, so I'm skipping the milk this time, and I'm just going to add the Rice Krispies right into the chocolate. And look at that, look how it comes together. Once I get it all combined, I'm going to put it into the mold there and press it down. Once I get it filled in just like that, I'm going to go ahead and put it in my refrigerator until it hardens, about a half hour. And now I'm just going to take it out of the foil. I was careful not to pull it too fast. I was afraid it was going to rip. I am glad I put a little butter down. I think that helped a lot. This would make a really great gift idea for someone that loves chocolate. You could cut small little pieces. I decided to do kind of a candy bar size or half a candy bar. That's one nice thing. If you needed it to go farther, you could just do smaller pieces. I'm very happy with this. This turned out great. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. At the end of this video, I'm going to put up a couple of my other ones if you want to click on them. And thank you so much for watching today.